Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Manisha here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Modelones review. So they've very kindly sent out to me a little gel set to swatch and share with you today. I've got direct links for you where you can find Modelones. They've got lots of other really cool gel sets. They do a lot of poly gel and a lot of the dip powders and things like that too. So definitely check them out. I've got direct links and I've also got my 10% off discount code, which is Manisha10. I'll have it for you on the bottom of the screen here, as well as the direct link where you can find this particular set. So the one that they've sent me out today is a 16 colour gel polish mini set. This is set number 3, so I'll do a little bit of an unboxing. So it comes in a really nice presentable box, so they're great to give as gifts if you want to gift it to yourself if no one else is going to buy it for you. Really great as a good starter kit because it does actually come with a base and a top gel as well. So I'm just going to open it up. There's nothing else written on the outside of the box apart from just their branding. And so it does actually come sealed, which I've since just sort of peeled it open, and it has just really nice basic instructions there and some tips as well on how to apply gel polish and how to make long-lasting manicures as well. So you can sort of do a bit of a pause there if you want to have a bit of a closer look. There's always prep work involved when you're using gel polish, just to get a bit more longevity out of the you know, the manicure. So these are what all the colours look like. So they're very, very cute. 6 milliliters little polish bottles, and I've got other sets that I've reviewed for you in the past, but this one here is a 16 piece, as well as you've got your base and top coat. So 16 colours, base and top coat, and there's a really nice selection there. They've even got like sort of a I don't know if that's a glitter or a holo, we'll find out when we get to it. And then also looks like there's a metallic one there as well. So there's lots there. I really do like these colours. They look like they'd be really good for autumn. There's some really cool autumn vibes there, but I think there's a little bit of everything because you've got some blues, some greens there, you've got sort of like looks like a brown there, you've got some pinks, and there are pastel colours in there too, so there's a really nice mixture. So without further ado, I will swatch these. I've got some little swatch sticks here, so I'll swatch them for you. Now with them being gel, they will need to be cured. I've got an LED, quite a powerful LED lamp, so I'll be curing mine for 30 seconds in that. But if you've got a UV lamp, cure them for 2 minutes. Always use a base coat and then top it off with a nice glossy top coat. You can also use a matte top coat. I'm sure these would look really cool with a matte finish as well, but I'm just going to stick to using what I've been sent here for the review, and I'll meet you back on the other side. Okay, so I've got all these swatches and had a little bit of a thought. They sent me the link of what they were actually going to send me, which was set 3, which is these colours here. But looking at these, this is actually not set 3, this is actually set 4, so there's a little bit of a mistake, which is okay with me. I will show you once I find the set on my phone what it actually looks like. So to me, once it loads up, that's actually the set I got, that's actually the set I got sent there. So those are the colours that I've got here. Definitely more sort of autumn shades. You've got a lot of different types of grey. I mean, they probably all look the same there, but in real life they don't. There's some that are more like a purple grey. That one there is quite a turquoise grey, and you've got a beautiful sort of dark charcoal colour. It's a nice change from having black. To be honest with you, that's kind of like a dusky lilac. That's the only one, and I've actually got that in a bigger, or I've had it in another set, because I can remember the same thing happening. Was it looks like it's going to be a pale sort of green, soft green, but ends up being a grey, more like a sort of elephant shade grey. That's what I'd call it anyway. More of a true grey, whereas all these other ones have definitely got other undertones. There's some beautiful sort of fun pastel colours. That one's almost like a hot colour, neon should I say. But yeah, really nice. I like the fact that there's a holo, and that's a holo topper. Now you probably could get full opacity by doing several coats. I've just done 2 for swatching purposes, because I feel like you could use this, and it's probably not going to show that well, but you could use it as a holo topper over like another colour. That's actually 2 coats there, but I think that's actually a really nice addition to the set, because then you get a whole set of new colours within your set. I'll just show you over let's choose a bright colour. I don't know if it's going to show because I've literally done 2 coats, but oh yeah, there you can see kind of a bit of a difference there with that one. But it just changes the whole look of your actual base colour. So that's really nice. You can use it on its own, like I said, build the opacity up, or just do 1 coat over another base colour. Then I also liked this one that we've got, now I've made a bit of a mess. This one here, which is quite a nice sort of metallic, like a rose gold colour. That was quite sheer as well. I've sort of done 2 coats here, but I think if you just did 1 coat over one of these other colours, I think it would actually change the look of it too. So there's a little bit of versatility there. So yeah, really cute little 6 ml bottles. You've got a full size base and top coat there, which have got 10 mls in them. Don't forget my 10% off code, which is Manisha10. And thank you Modelones for sending me these out to swatch and to share with my viewers. They're a really cute set, and yeah, really cute colours. I really do like them a lot. Lots there to make lots of different nail arts with, and you can totally change up what you're doing too, because there's a really good range of colours. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, I'd love a lovely thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free to do so. You'll also find me over on Instagram. I've got a direct link down below. Hit that notification bell on YouTube so you don't miss any uploads from me, and hopefully I'll see you later in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now.